How to buy SWOLE Doge token. Now this token came under the symbol of SWOLE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check their Telegram channel too. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 288 or 83%. Now this token trending number 2 in the BNB Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open your PayPath wallet for that, go to your wallet, select the BNB chain as a network. Now click on this plus icon and place the token address here, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and try to find your token that you just have called SWOLE. Now after you find it, click on it. Now click on swap. Switch from here from the topic and select the token that you want to buy it, for example USDC, but make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet before going and buy this token. Now after that, here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now here click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy SWOLE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.